Hello, guys. How are you? Um, First off, I want to thank you everyone for watching my video. In this video, I wanted to spend some time talking about investing in Bitcoin in terms of buying and selling in an open market via an exchange rather than mining the coin yourself or using one of the cloud mining services to get the coin. But before I get into that, I want to say that this is purely an opinion of mine and it's not an investment advice. So please trade at your own risk and remember always, always, always follow the 5% rule. Okay. So let's look at the history of the trade. This is back in 2000, September of 2017, and it was trading roughly about 3,100 or so. And as of a couple of days ago, was trading as high as 78.88, which is almost 7,900. As you can see, is more than double in price. Okay, and the last couple of days, it dropped more than $1,000, and now right now it's hovering roughly about 6,600 and $8. This is the live value. This is the live trade and over Bitstamp. So I'm not going to go into much of technical, but I want to point out a couple of things about the technical, so it might help you a little bit to decide whether to get in now or to wait. I draw a line here. That's just a trend line, and this is I think where the support is right here, and that's what I got the new resistance is. So currently, it's in oversold status, but it's also the demand for it is slower. So it's trying to form a new resistance level, minor resistance here. This is what I call major resistance. If it breaks that, it's going to go up a little bit more. But if it doesn't fall below this trend line, it might trying to reach up again, and it's going to hit the resistance again. If it breaks that, I think it will reach 10,000 plus easy. Okay. Right now, it's in oversold status, so you might see people pouring in to get you know, some coin for themselves. Um, for me, I would wait um, to see where that's going to lead us to. Even though it's an oversold status, I want to wait to see if it can actually break this minor resistance here. Or if it's going to fall below the trend line. If it fall below the trend line and break the support line, I think it might reach down to somewhere here. The line might reach that way. So where to get to this? This is where the next support is. So that roughly about low 41, low $4,000 there. Okay. So that's where I think, and then I would wait a little bit more. If it actually found a support here, it will probably go up higher. So I think if it find a support there, um, the coin might actually create a huge demand where an oversold situation, it will create a norm, and then they'll take up the coin, above seven or above $8,000 and go to the $10,000. A lot of people predict it. Um, so that's a little things about technical standpoint, and one other thing that might help the core the price of Bitcoin to rise rapidly is some of these big investors jump in. Like when Mark Cuban decided to get in, and after he says the bubble, he put in $150 million to invest in ICOs and Bitcoins and all that cryptocurrency. And let's look at the chart when he said it and when he actually invested and what happened to it. Okay, let's look at here. Let's close that so I can see the chart a little bit bigger. Right here, right around June. Okay, that's this where he said coin is in bubble, blah blah blah. After he said it, the coin dropped all the way down from 29 all the way down to $1,900. And then right around this point, he came out and say, "Hey, I'm going to put in $150 million to buy Bitcoin and invest in other ICO." And guess what? Bam! It goes up. He rises almost from 2,300, actually from 1,900, and all the way up to 2,900. That's $1,000 run jump. And then it hovers around here, and then it breaks another point and breaks the support or the resistance here. And it broke the resistance there. And bam, it went up all the way to, it doubled in price almost. And it hovered a little bit, pulled back a little, and then it's just buying opportunity, and then bam, it went up again. And it thinks right here, that's when the Bitcoin Cash and all that come out. To cause some other news that came out, it caused a collapse again. But after that, people brushed it off, and it doubled in price. So as you can see, not only the technical standpoint would help, but also you have to look for all the news that come out that caused by what I call moneymaker. This guy, Mark Cuban, is one of them. Big players, a lot of them have big player out there, like this guy. Everything he says almost pretty much come true. He also predicts it's going to be a $10,000 pretty soon, and I believe that. But as far as the entry point, I look at the way I look at it is I look at any breaks that would be an opportunity for entry. I look for that signal to get in. So again, go back to the $1 million question: is should I get in now or should I wait? I would wait to see what's going on here. If it actually breaks the resistance, it better be safe than sorry because it's your money. Once you lose it, you lose it. But again, just follow the 5% rule and be safe with it. If it doesn't break the resistance and they go back to the support line, it breaks the support line. I think right here around low 40, around the low 4,000 to the mid 4,000, that's a good entry point. It might go up and down a little bit for just keep watching that out, okay? So there you go. I hope that helps. And thank you so much again for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.